Hey guys, um, have you ever woken up and decided to finish your own project or had an inspiration to do your coding? But you are met with this complicated form of code? Well, don't worry, cause I got you. Let's do it! So let's get started, shall we? So have you ever been lost in the middle of coding? And when you return to your vacation or break, you look at your code and look at it and decide, huh, what did I do again back then? You hate that, don't you? But by using panel programming languages, it has features that could remove those problems for you. Example. So, based on this design or paragraph that I'm currently showing to you guys, is the panel windows to panel programming. As you can see, there's a design panel, there's a UI panel, and a functions panel. These three are one of the many functions that panel programming has or have. So, for design, you can set color title to yellow, and then set animation button to perk up, and set animation cursor to hover. So for this, you can just set the color title to yellow in the UI and next to that, and then set animation button equals perk up, it will perk up, and set animation cursor to hover. So for set button interactive, for the functions panel, there's set button interactive, set mouse cursor interactive, and set button to tab 2. So if you press that, we'll go to tab 2 or to the next page. And all of these are connected to the UI. The UI is the one who carries that. They're the one who's doing that there. And I almost forgot the string panel. The string panel is the one that sets the text or any words that you want to the UI or to everything, to any design of the panel. It's all interconnected. So, and also you can see that the design is not connected to the string, the function is not connected to the design, the UI is just connected to it all, right? So you're thinking, how would the design the design set color title connects to the string text title? So this is the magic of panel programming languages, or the one I invented, is that all it needs is a intersection, or a, what they call on a Venn diagram. They only need something in common. So they have something in common in the UI. For design, it has the set title and UI get title, and then the string has set title, and then they get title. So all of the design and the string text will go here, and the design doesn't need to connect to string in order to change the color of the yellow. And then the set animation perk up doesn't need to connect to set button interactive, so it will perk up. That's the magic of panel programming. It doesn't confuse you. It's not spaghetti lining. It doesn't point to everywhere. It's just point to single point of the panel. It's very simple, just like that. That's why I'm implementing this. Well, now that you've understood panel programming languages, as you can see, it's very basic. It's pretty easy to understand. You connect one panel to another panel. You put one code to that panel, and then after you connect it to that, you put another code into that panel. So the design panel is connected to the UI, and the UI is connected to the control function or any of that, or the string. All you gotta remember is that the design panel doesn't need to be connected to the function panel or string panel. All they need is a intersection. All they need is that one single panel that connects them all. And then when that happens, you can easily set anything as long as they have the same name or variable to the set of their respected panels. That's it.